Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're decoding the ancient, hidden blueprints secretly controlling your favorite social media feeds.
Did you know your favorite apps were actually designed thousands of years ago? They're basically ancient ghosts.
See, architecture isn't just physical buildings. It's the invisible digital blueprint dictating exactly how we interact online. Let's map this out. Our everyday digital spaces, they're actually hyper-optimized reconstructions of historical physical gathering spots. Take the chaotic Roman Forum. Surprisingly, this ancient open-air plaza is the exact structural blueprint for X and Reddit. Just like ancient Rome, this layout actively rewards outrage and rhetorical wit. It's pure, cutthroat theatrical combat. But man, it's exhausting. These massive public squares leave us completely vulnerable to sudden mob shifts and viral dogpiling. Now, notice the stark shift here. We're moving away from public noise, right into the safety of curated intimacy. Today, Discord admins and Substack hosts act like aristocratic gatekeepers. They strictly enforce invitation-only etiquette behind closed digital doors. This beautifully prioritizes psychological safety and deep niche debates. But naturally, that comes at the steep cost of insularity. Craving something flashier? Well, the neon-lit experience of the 90s shopping mall maps perfectly onto Instagram and TikTok. We literally curate our aesthetics just to stroll through endless digital hallways, scientifically engineered to make us buy stuff. The algorithm is your ruthless layout designer. It punishes passive loitering, constantly demanding active interaction to sell your data. But here's the real crisis. A tiny handful of massive corporations dictate the architecture of all our digital spaces. Just think about the sheer absurdity of holding a delicate family reunion inside a massive, highly commercialized digital mall. When architecture is rigid, human expression gets flattened. This spatial mismatch is exactly why the internet makes us so anxious. But what if we stopped settling? What happens when communities take the power back and become the digital architects? The future is absolutely decentralized. We no longer have to be digital renters paying off Silicon Valley feudal lords. It's time to reclaim the commons. You set the rules, design the layout, and actually own your community's data. With platforms like Web4.community, you finally have the power to tailor a custom social architecture exactly to your needs. The blueprints are finally in your hands. So what kind of digital world will you choose to build today?